Hi, Adam, and everyone over there at Adam's Property Maintenance. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles, and like I said in my email, I just wanted to send you guys a free video, giving you a few free recommendations that you can implement with your team, with yourself. If you like what you see, and I do have more tricks up my sleeve, I would love to work together. You can just respond to my email. My contact information will be in it. Otherwise, no harm, no foul if you don't. Just take these tips and use them. Okay, so let me start by answering a question which is probably on your mind. Why am I doing this? Oh, in talking to business owners, I've realized that a lot of the time business owners are way too busy to learn what I'm about to show you, and there's quite a steep learning curve. Also, there's a lot of information out there. What I'm going to show you isn't unique, however, it is packaged well. And business owners sometimes do not know what to do. You get confused. So many experts out there. So I kind of wanted to just prove myself, give you a few tips and a few recommendations. And the third reason is that doing a bit of research in your area, and I'll show you even the numbers of the opportunities, the people who are looking for your services. All right, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's get started. The three things I want to cover today, the three tips, are content, citations, and backlinks. Content, citations, and backlinks. So content is everything that's on your page, on your front page. Everything that I've highlighted here in blue, all the text, the images, the words behind the images, even what the images are saved as. For example, if I try and save this one image, I can see that you've saved it as big yard with workers. To optimize with Google, it's important to include keywords, and I'm going to go into keywords in a few minutes, but include keywords in the text in how you save your images. To optimize with Google, again, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text. And by that, I mean text that shows who you are, what exact services you offer, the locations you serve, etc. This is so that Google starts to know that you're relevant and starts to put you in front of relevant searches. Along with that 1,500 words, 1,000 to 1,500 words, it's good to saturate them with keywords. Keywords are the kind of phrases that people type into Google to look for your services. For example, if I was looking for a landscaper in Westchester, I would type in something like this, landscaper Westchester, PA, and then you'll get your results page. So this is a keyword. The keywords are those words that your target audience is typing into Google to search for your services. So that's it for content. Next thing I want to talk about is citations, and for that, let's go back to the search. So once someone types in a keyword, presses enter and searches, first thing you'll see are Google Ads. Now, Google Ads can get expensive depending on your niche and your location and your competitors. Also, these days, a lot of people have ad blockers. So I'm not saying that Google Ads are bad. They're good for quick, fast leads. However, just keep in mind that you'll be paying also for pay-per-click. So you're not necessarily getting the intent clicks, but anyone who just clicks on your site, on your ad. Next thing you'll see below the ad is known as the map pack. Map pack has 3 businesses and a map of the local area around where you searched. So how do you rank higher and higher in here? It has to do with the with citations. If I click on more businesses, you get to see all the businesses in the map pack around this area. So ranking here, like I said, has to do with citations. A citation is anywhere online, in any directory online that your name, address, and business phone number, business name, address, business phone number are cited in different directories online. So directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, LinkedIn, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. There are tons of directories. So the higher quality and the higher number of these citations that you have, the higher your rank here. Google will tell that you're relevant for this kind of location service search. Then the third part of the search results before the map pack is known as the organic listings. Now, here, ranking here has a lot to do with not just citations and content on your page, but backlinks. And that's the third thing I want to talk about. A backlink is when a different web page links to you, so directs traffic to you. For example, if there was a forum on landscapers in southeastern PA, and they had a blog up and had your name there, something good about you, and had a link directing people to your page, that's a good relevant backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, because if it's a McDonald's that has a backlink to you, Google sees that and knows that the two different niches, and will drop you for in terms of relevancy for these kind of searches. I use a tool called Ahrefs, which analyzes websites. It's a popular tool out there. And I'm going to take your competitor here, Frios Lawn, and I'm going to drop them. In fact, I pulled up the website earlier. I'm going to drop them in my tool called Ahrefs. Let me get it here. And let's take a look at your competition, and I'll also put in your site here. So this is Frios Lawn. You can see that they have about 951 backlinks from only 58 pages. What tells me is that there must be a lot of repetition. So if we click in here and analyze, you can actually see the backlinks that your competitor has. So it would be incumbent on your SEO, your website person, to come in, find using whichever tool, but find the backlinks that your competitors have and make sure you have the same backlinks. Not only that, you want to double or beat them by 100 or 50. But remember, like I said, not all backlinks are the same. So you only want to look at the quality backlinks that your competitor has. And I can tell a lot of these are, like for example, that's a directory. This doesn't seem like it has anything to do with, oh no, it is. It has a few things to do with landscaping. I was just looking at the quality of the backlinks from your competitor. Now let's drop your website into the same tool and find and see how you're looking. Okay, so I can tell you have a young website. Google is only picking you up for 20 keywords, and you're not getting you're only getting traffic from when your name is mentioned. So if someone does not know your name, if they're just typing for lawn care Delaware County, you can see that you're in position 37. I'm sorry, this first column is the volume, the search volume. So 250 people a month look for Adams Property Management, at least the 250 searches, and you get about 1.4 people coming to your site because you're in position 16 for this one keyword. Now, in just doing research, this is where I want to show you the opportunities available to you, because keywords like Delaware County Property Management, 400 people look for that every month. Property Management Delaware County, 400 people look for that every month. You can see they're a bit different. That's your site. Landscaping Westchester, PA. This is what I typed into Google. About 100 people search for that a month. Westchester Landscaping, 200 people are looking for Westchester Landscaping, and these are buyer intent keywords, meaning if someone's typing in Westchester Landscaping, they're probably looking for a company because they need that service. Lawn care Westchester, PA. Landscaping Chester County, PA, about 70 people. So I'm seeing that there's quite a bit of healthy traffic for people searching for your services, Adam. And I'm sure if you build on these three things that I talked about, content, citations, and backlinks, you'll start to rise higher and higher for these kind of searches, these kind of keyword searches, and therefore grow your company, because you're getting more and more clients, and hopefully closing more and more good deals. Well, thank you very much. I'm glad I kept it below 10 minutes. Like I said, feel free to take this, give it to your website person, a SEO person, or if you'd like to work together, I'm more than willing, and you have my contact information. Thank you very much.